stop blowing holes in me shit. Who put that there? Wobble bolts and everything. We don't have the right size extensions. That's our fault. Coffee shop.
Pony patch.
Fucking pony patch. Paint a pot. We gotta fucking paint some pots.
Anyway, we're back at another video because Steve has been having problems with the car.
The fuel pressure dropping on full throttle. I don't know if you've seen this one.
No, they haven't.
I had a black one last time.
Oh yeah, it's a different car. Different car completely. This one's blue. It's blue.
It's blue. That's all I know. It's blue.
So yeah, we're basically just like trying to sort it again. Another thing, different thing. Yeah. The last one had auxiliary belt that got replaced, which wasn't exactly massive, but whatever, had to be done. And then he had to swap back to the Q7 because he tried to scumbag someone, weren't he? No, he weren't. But anyway, we found some issues that we didn't know about.
I were trying to
you tried to scumbag someone. Anyway, it didn't happen. The guy noticed. But now we're putting a fuel pump in this. Then we're going to take it out for a little spin. Hopefully it's going to work. Hopefully we stop having the little issues that we're having. And yeah, and maybe at some point you'll get a walk around of the car. Yeah. If Steve cleans it properly. Right now he's vacuuming up all the shit that he vacked out just before we started this video.
Mate, look how bad that clip is.
No. Bro. Wait a second, let me get in here.
I guess it's gonna go that way. No, it doesn't go that way.
You fucking idiot.
What?
You just tightened it.
I haven't.
You did the first time. Watch out for my leg, you bastard.
There we go.
There we go.
You know what that needed? Bit more hammering.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
I've only got 10 miles in the tank.
1 sec. Wait, carry on. Oh. Oh, that's hilarious.
There's no way we can lift it out even and put it back in tank. What about a jerry can? No, it won't lift.
No, we'll go that far. Nothing's gonna go that far.
What about with nozzle?
No, it won't work.
I'll get nozzle in there.
Smells great.
Just draining my tank, bro.
Oh my god, why is it pissing so much? Spillage is liquid, Steve!
Oh, don't come off. Don't come off.
What do you mean don't come off?
It's coming apart. Bro, it's like actually coming apart. I'm not even kidding.
Surely not. Oh.
Bro, I'm not kidding. Look. Oh, there's that fucking... Why does that look different? Steve, you stop blowing holes in my ship.
Wouldn't have to blow holes in ship if you bought right parts.
I did right part. What we're doing here is we're customising it.
Mods, bro.
This is pure modifications.
I'm gonna drop this in his fuel tank.
Yeah, please don't do that. Upside down, it's not gonna come out. Go!
So we've got a fuel pump in. We've got to get some fuel because
We're on 10 miles.
we're on 10 miles.
Literally.
So we'll see how this goes. What we see?
Might break down, might not.
Might break down, might not.
We'll see.
We'll see. We're doing big boy maps now, aren't we, Steve? That's what we do now. We do on the road maps. Come and get us at us for us on the road maps. You know what I'm saying? Do you know how to know you spent a lot of money on your car? Right, you ready? It works. It works. You alright, mate?
Whoever invented this is a fucking... You have to beat that up.
Yeah, no. So, this... One sec, let me put this down.
There's a metal brace just here.
So see this where we've got this fucking thing in, like, MacGyvered in there. You see that there? Who put that there? Wobble bolts and everything. We don't have the right size extensions. That's our fault.
That's definitely not going back on.
Is it just a brace?
It's just a brace, so it's not going back on.
It's not going back on. Anyway, we're getting there slowly.
Inlet mine will fall off yet.
Budweiser because red stripe.
Oh, Steve, I think will come off.
Oh, you have not.
Oh wait, I might be able to get it with my hand. The bolt, that is. Shit.
Come on, Steve.
You done it yet? Well, that's not looking good. So, we've got to the point now. I should explain what we're doing. What are we doing, Steve?
Changing injectors, mate.
Why?
Because it's misfiring on cylinder 1 and 4.
Yeah.
And they're not going away. And it's running like a bag of shit.
So, if you remember, well, this is going to be in this video as well. We were playing about with fuel pump, shit like that, doing some dodgy stuff. Converting it to a newer version is what we'll call it. So we've done that. That didn't work. Went for a test drive. It was showing everything that was wrong. So now, like it says, we're changing injectors, and hopefully that's going to work. And also we've got brand new pipes for basically the rest of it, so for the intercooler and stuff. Yeah. So hopefully it fixes it. No idea yet, but Steve's just trying to pull off this now, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's have a look.
Rough. Oh, there's fuel.
Oh, there's fuel. I can hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's fuel.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Only a little bit of fuel. That were about a tenner, that, mate.
About a tenner?
About a tenner, that, mate.
Oh, tenner.
About a tenner. Think we've done it, haven't we, lad? Well, by we, I mean him.
Put it off.
Ooh, gonna switch around. Oh, that's gonna be really confusing for anyone watching. Let's go back. Never mind. Anyway, today is basically taking it for a little drive. It has been a little while since we saw. I was partly there and then I left because it was far too late. Yeah. He stayed up until 4 AM, if not later, sorting that out.
Yeah, I did.
So yeah, this is gonna be a driving video.
Oh, tunnel. What do we do with this tunnel, Steve?
Well, I mean, I hope you can hear it.
Tunnel! Yeah. Tunnel!
Stop blowing holes in me shit!
Sander cat.
Alright, I don't know if I'm Steve, so please don't do that. Still got PTSD, me, man. Look at that.
Can you believe it's been a year?
Has it been a year?
Right, so coming up on the right.
I think it's on the right. It's probably on the left. It's a pub. I think it's a pub. He said B&B though.
Are we off for a spot of lunch?
Spot of lunch.
Well, let's go.
We're going for a spot of brunch. We're going to have some tea and biscuits.
And sandwiches.
And sandwiches.
I hope they have salmon on croûte.
What about a scone?
A scone? Or would it be the scones? Coffee shop?
Pony patch.
Fucking pony patch, paint a pot. We gotta fucking paint some pots. We're gonna be the most roadmen people that have turned up here in a while, bro. So anyway, we found this whatever this is, Hartley's Garden Centre, which we have one of these quite close to us. Yeah.
Where?
Or is that something else? Anyway, we're gonna go see. I can smell food. Can you smell food? Is it open? Is it? We'll find out, won't we? Anyway, we'll find out. Yeah, man. We'll see, won't we?
5-star rating. Always good view.
That is always a good 5-star rating on the restaurant. Bacon. Bacon and sausage muffin.
Very nice though.
Nobody knows. That'll bang in that.
Yeah, pretty good that way.
Ooh, I think you're a bit dirty. There you go. Successful.
Oh.
Now we've got an hour drive back. Woo! I'd say that we're successful, don't you think?
Yeah, just a bit of a drive out.
Bit of a drive out.
What would
You could probably only hear the f***ing engine of this car. But...
you want me to turn it off?
No, that's fine. Come over here. Ooh, the lighting's better over here. There you go. So yeah, nice drive out. It's running generally. Still got a couple of little things that need sorting on it, but I mean,
Not major.
not major. Happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. And then I think next video we just need to get a battery fit Polo now.
Need to get a battery fit Polo. It's just sat.
Poor thing.
Poor thing. But yeah, right.
Battery fit Polo. Get it MOT'd.
Yeah, man.
And then we'll
Probably get wipers working as well.
yeah, we need to do that. And then hopefully we'll have a video on that.
Yeah, man.
Drive out on that.
Right.
Yeah.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.